only have $10 and you want to make your first $100,000 so that you can buy a xauusd power bottles in the club and still be left with extra money to buy Louis Vuitton and Gucci. And to be able to do this, you only need this one candle strategy, which will tell you when exactly to enter, sell trades, and also when exactly to enter, buy trades, and win one trade after the other. And if you watch until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make 10 times more profits. So for everyone to make $100,000, you need only one candle strategy, which I'm going to show you in the next few seconds. You really need to focus where you enter and also where you exit will make you $100,000 because you'll be able to win one trade after the other. Thirdly, you have to dream big. Even if you're starting with a $10 account, always look at yourself as a trader who is trading a $100 account, who is confident in the trades, and each and every time that you're making profits, you have to celebrate because you'll be taking one step closer to your $100,000 goal. And if you want to get to $100,000 fast, you have to use a good and reliable broker. That is why I've put the link of the broker that I use in this video description so that everyone will now have a better chance to get to $100,000 goal quickly. The candle that I'm focusing on is this big candle where you see that the low of this actual candle is lower than the low of this candle before it, and also the close of this actual candle is also higher than the high of this actual candle before it. Because everything about this candle is bigger, and also the low, the close, and the high are all outside of the previous candle. That is why it is called the outside candle. Once you see this actual candle, lock in your sell trades and target for the market to actually go down until it reaches the body of this actual previous candle. And you can actually see on the next candle, the market shoot down to this actual body, which means this is where you exit your trades and collect your profits. Now if you go back, you also see another outside candle right here where we have the high higher than this actual previous candle, and also the close of the candle is also lower than this actual previous candle, which means on the next candle you are entering a buy trade and you actually see the market shooting up this actual candle body, and also on this actual trade you also win. Then if you also continue going back, you also see another big one right here, which you can actually see that the high is actually higher than the previous candle, and also the close is also lower than this previous candle low, which means as soon as this actual candle closes, now you're entering into a buy trade. From this actual big trade, that is where you can easily make $100,000 on one trade, just like this. As you can see, this is a big opportunity to actually collect profits when you actually know that this trade is going to win 100% guaranteed. So one thing to note, when you actually have this actual candle, the bigger it is, it means the more profits that you're going to make when you actually enter this actual trade. Now let's continue to look for other opportunities, and you can actually see right here we had back-to-back trades. On the first one, we have the low lower than this previous candle, and also the close also higher than this previous candle, which means as soon as the candle closes, now you're entering a sell trade, and you can actually see the market getting to your take profit level very quickly. And soon afterwards, you also see another outside candle right here with the high higher than this previous candle and the close candle lower than the low of this previous candle, which means on the next candle you are looking in your buy trades and make profits just like this. As you can see, one trade after the other is always one winning trade after the other, because this actual strategy is very effective, which means if you use it exactly as I'm showing you right now, you actually have a better chance to actually get to $100,000, especially when you get big trades just like this one, where you have a very big outside candle like this, and when the market closes, you actually enter your buy trades, and when you look in your trades, you actually see the market going into direction, making you $100,000 on this actual trade. I can continue to go on for the whole day showing you one winning trade after the other that you can actually get from this actual strategy. Now, if you want to make 10 times the profits with this actual strategy, first you need to choose the time frame that will easily make you $100,000 with this actual strategy, and the time frame that you use would depend on what type of a trader are you. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Or you are a swing trader? Comment below and I'll tell you which time frame that you must use so that you can actually make up to $100,000 with this powerful strategy, so that you get good entries that can actually go into a direction, and also also win one trade after the other. And if you also want a more detailed version about this xauusd strategy, I've put a strategy PDF in the last link in this video description. Click on it to get the whole details about this xauusd strategy so that you can know when exactly to enter buy trades and also when exactly to enter sell trades so that you can make up to $100,000 faster. This is more by Forex. Bye for now.